Welcome to KGMAC MEP Corporate Training Center. This is Muhammad Naeem working as a technical manager. Today I am going to explain you the concept of electrical system. As you know very well, electricity is a basic need for every human. Electrical has been categorized into three streams: generation, transmission and distribution. As we know, there is a huge demand for the distribution sector where we need to design the power supply for residential, commercial and industrial projects, and where we have the lots of vacancies for the electrical engineers at the distribution sector. In KGMAC, we have designed the syllabus in the 4 modules: designing, drafting, site execution, quality control and quality assurance. In designing part, the first concept is the lighting system. And the lighting system will plays a major important role for the luxurious look of the project. According to the NEC regulations, already the lux levels have been designed for the residential, commercial and industrial projects. To match that lux levels, we need to calculate the required number of lights by using the engineering formulas and by using some electrical softwares. The next concept is the load calculations. In the distribution sector, we know that we are using some huge quantity of systems in the projects like HVAC, power system, CCTV cameras, fire alarm system, biometric systems and many more. So for all these particular systems, we will train you how to calculate the loads of the project. After getting the total load of the building, we need to go for the transformer sizing, and we will train you how to calculate the transformer rating of kVA and the type of cooling of transformer and type of connection for the transformers. Again, after the transformer sizing, for the emergency backup we required the generators or the UPS, because some systems we cannot shut down. They required the continuous power supply like CCTV system, lift and elevators and fire alarm systems also. According to the emergency load, we will train you how to calculate the kVA of generator and the UPS size, again the battery backup size. Depending on each and every equipment current rating, we need to calculate the cable size, and the cable size will be finalized based on the voltage drop and the short circuit calculations. Again, to control the power supply of the complete project, we require the switch gates, and we have some different switch gates in the project like LV panel, HV panel, ATS panel. Based on the project requirement, an electrical engineer should design the required panel size for the project. For the safety of all the electrical appliances and for the safety of the human, we need to design the earthing system for every project. According to the NEC standards, what should be the resistance we need to be maintained for the earthing will be designed by the electrical engineers. And these are all the topics which will be covered in the designing part. The drafting is a part where the electrical engineer has to prepare the different electrical drawings on the AutoCAD software, like lighting drawing, power drawing, single line drawing, cable tray layout, load distribution schedule, section drawing, shop drawings. All these drawings has to be designed by the electrical engineer by sitting in the lab. Site execution is the process where the electrical engineer has to execute the project based on the project specifications in the shop drawings, which includes all the installation of electrical components like transformers, generators, UPS, cable trays, cables and earthing system. The fourth module is the quality control and the quality assurance. The QC engineer will do the inspections regarding the quality of material and the quality of workflow. These are the 4 modules which will be covered in the training. After the completion of training in the KGMAC, you can apply as an electrical design engineer, CAD engineer, site engineer and a QC engineer. Apart from these 4 fields, you can apply in the manufacturing industries like transformers, generators, UPS, cables and circuit breakers. In KGMAC, we have designed 80% portion practical, where the electrical engineer has to be involved into the real-time projects. After the completion of 80% portion, the HR department will be working on the placements. I suggest every electrical fresher and experienced engineer to be a part of a technical training and get placed in the electrical core field. So feel free to contact for the demo sessions and reach out to our branches.